Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad.
So, this is a vehicle that I would definitely never recommend somebody buys. And I'm going to tell you why. This is a Bentley Bentayga, okay? Yeah, it's a Bentley. But for real, it's just an Audi Q7. That's it. The seats are a little bit nicer, okay? The bolsters and stuff are nice. Somebody was rocking a food stamp phone in here with the Stylo 3. You know, the seats and stuff or whatever are really nice. But for real, for the most part, and I see some broken glass back there, but I don't see any broken glass in here. That's not broken. Now, the windshield is cracked, all right? That's it. I haven't seen any other damage on the truck, all right? You got the full panoramic roof. If you want to see more on basically what this vehicle is, I do have I don't know if it's published on this channel, but I do have a full review on the 2017 Audi Q7. Maybe I'll move that over here to the TK's Garage channel so you guys can see that. But for the most part, I mean, the craftsmanship's nice, the steering wheel's nice, the stitching and whatnot here in the steering wheel is nice. You know, the attention to detail and stuff, is it worth an extra $260,000 over a Q7? No. No, it's not. Not to me. You know, same infotainment. Yeah, the gauges are a little bit different, but for real, for the most part, that's all the same. Same thing here with the infotainment center. You got the little Bentley clock. Like I said, the attention to detail and what you get from the vehicle, it's nice, man. You know, like, look, the nice soft opening glove box. Watch. You know what I'm saying? It's the detail, the attention to luxury, right? Is it worth... Oh, wait a minute. This has been removed. I just saw this. Bentley something. I don't even know what part that is. Oh, it's, yeah. It's so it can see the road and whatnot. Okay, now I see there may be some issues. So maybe the windshield was replaced and they effed it up or something? I'm still trying to figure out why it was totaled. I'll have to pull the lot number and look it up. But overall, I mean, the interior in this thing is immaculate. It's not flooded. It doesn't look like crap. It looks nice. So, you know, paddle shifters, the whole nine. But now that you've seen the interior of the Bentley Bentayga, this 400,000 plus truck, something like that. You can see they had some stuff just chilling in here still. All right. Look at this. Even this closes nice and easy. Wow. And it's got a ride adjust. Okay, so that was the one thing. I don't know if the Q7 had that, where you could go up and down with it, but whatever. Sound system is amazing. So, anyways, let's give you a quick look on the outside of it. You guys can tell me what you think. Now, because of the dust and everything, it does look filthy. But taking a look at the back of this Bentley Bentayga, it looks good. I really don't see some nicks and stuff on the bumper there. Nothing major. The body and everything looks pretty much straight. Bentley rims on it. I'm legit not seeing... Now I'm wondering if this is a wrap. Oh, it had a black wrap on it. Okay, you can see the wrap here has been removed. Okay, so it did have a wrap on it at some point. Alright, I see some little nicks in the paint. Now, this might even still have some kind of plasti dip or something on it, because it's almost got like a faded flip-flop paint on it. Let's see if I can give you guys a better look at the front. I mean, it's cool. I just never understood why this thing was worth $400,000 when it's basically just an Audi Q7 or a Volkswagen Atlas. You know, I mean, that's basically what this thing is built off of. But hey, to each their own. Let's take a look at the back again to get a little bit better idea. So, you know, when you get into your $400,000 vehicle, look at these premium ashtrays. Okay. Got the peanut butter guts with the Bentley logo and all your storage. I see some oil back there. That's not a good sign. All right. Little storage compartment right here. I'm messing around and looking in here because you never know. Like, you could mess around and find a friggin' couple $1,000s in the car. But it's not wet, so it's not a flood car. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look it up and see exactly what it is, and we'll have to go from there. But let me know what you guys think. Would you guys bid on this? I don't even know what it's going for. It is up here. It's not wrecked. I guess I'd have to take a look at it and see what the thing is. But I mean, it's probably going to go for a pretty penny, being it's a $400,000 truck. If you like today's video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Also, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any content. Hashtag keep pounding.